the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan is set to make a significant impact in the compact SUV segment, with its blend of technology, design, and versatile powertrain options. Built on the innovative MQB Evo platform, the new Tiguan has grown in size, offering more interior space and nearly 23 cubic feet of cargo capacity for the standard wheelbase model. Volkswagen is yet to announce details for the larger Tiguan Allspace. Interior advancements have taken center stage, with digital interfaces replacing many physical controls. The base trims will come with a 12.9-inch infotainment screen, while top-spec models boast a larger 15-inch display. Feedback from customers has led Volkswagen to reintroduce physical controls for essential functions, such as a rotary knob for adjusting the volume, highlighting a user-friendly approach to vehicle interaction. Powering the Tiguan are a variety of engines tailored to meet different market needs, including gasoline, diesel, mild hybrid, and plug-in hybrid options. The plug-in hybrid versions are particularly noteworthy, offering an all-electric range of up to 62 miles and supporting both AC and DC charging. Volkswagen's commitment to adaptability and comfort is further exemplified by the optional dynamic chassis control, promising an adaptive ride across varying road conditions. In Europe, the Tiguan will be available with two petrol-only engine options, 2.0-liter units producing 201 horsepower and 261 horsepower. This represents an upgrade over the current model's range, which features petrol engines offering between 147 horsepower and 217 horsepower, with a range-topping R model delivering up to 315 horsepower. The design of the new Tiguan takes cues from Volkswagen's ID.4 SUV and the new Passat wagon, introducing more curves and a modern aesthetic. A notable interior feature is the freestanding central touchscreen, available up to 15 inches, paired with improved infotainment and digital displays capable of over-the-air software updates. By repositioning the gear selector and enhancing luggage space to 648 liters, Volkswagen has made significant improvements in cabin space and utility. The 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan represents Volkswagen's forward-looking approach to the compact SUV market, combining technological innovation, enhanced comfort, and a wide range of powertrain options to cater to diverse consumer needs.